Well, I just woke up these early morning for a road trip to Alberta, and that's where we going at. I can't really wait. It's gonna be pretty long, but it's gonna be pretty worth it. I just got halfway through Alberta. I mean, Saskatchewan is really 1 hour behind, so it's pretty early. And 1 hour ahead, and yeah, they're 1 hour ahead where I live right now. But yeah, I'll be there like at nighttime. Edmonton, that's where we going at, and I'll keep in touch for later. And so what I'll say about this vlog, I guess, is it's not gonna be an exciting vlog because we're not doing some activities. We're just driving. That's it. Look at the views. But once we get there, it's gonna be pretty exciting, and that's what I pretty much just say about today's vlog. What do you look at that? Look at that view. I'm in Alberta right now. It's so long. I'm very tired, and the drivers are tired too as well. We're almost at Edmonton. It's only an hour and a half, and we're there. And I'm enjoying this view. Look at that. I love this view. You should check this out. Right there. Guess what we are in? Edmonton. I know it's not the city, but we're just in the perimeter around there. And yeah, I'll keep in touch later, and yeah. Well, I am going to end up the video for today. I'm not going anywhere anymore. I'm just gonna stay here and rest for the rest of the day. And tomorrow is gonna be an exciting day, because we're not gonna have a long drive like today. And yeah, I've been tired today, so I hope I have a good rest and have energy for tomorrow. And yeah, if you do enjoy this vlog, part 1, leave a like, subscribe for more content and video, as well leave a comment for any suggestions, and guys, see you guys next vlog. Bye.